How's it going, everybody? PK Investing here. One of the greatest strategies that can be employed by a long-term dividend growth investor is turning on automatic dividend reinvestment for your dividend-paying positions. Fidelity does offer a DRIP program, and in today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can enable DRIP in your Fidelity brokerage account. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the home page. Hover your cursor over the first tab at the top called Accounts and Trade. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select Account Features. Once you've reached the Account Features page, go ahead and click on the Brokerage and Trading option. This will expand the menu and reveal a few more selections. Now, click the Dividends and Capital Gains selection. You'll be redirected to a page that lists all of your securities along with the reinvestment setting for each. The first column will have the name of the security. The next two columns will list the currently selected setting for what to do with that security's distribution. The final column will allow you to change these settings. Go ahead and find the security you want to enable DRIP for and click on Update. Now we've got a few options. Selecting the Reinvest in Security option will enable DRIP for the security. Selecting the Deposit to Core Account option will instead take any dividends paid by the security and deposit them to your core account. Underneath these two options, we have some ways to make this process easier. Checking this first box will copy the previous DRIP selection and apply it to all securities currently held in your account. So if you want to enable DRIP for everything you hold, then click Reinvest in Security and check the first Apply To box. This will enable DRIP for everything. Checking the second Apply To box will apply the DRIP selection you made to any future securities you might purchase. For set it and forget it investors, it might be a good idea to enable DRIP and check both of these boxes. This will ensure that you have DRIP enabled for all of your current securities and all of your future securities as well. Once you've finished making your selection, click the Update button at the bottom. You will then be taken to a confirmation page. Click the Change Distributions option at the bottom to be redirected back to your securities page. It's always a good idea at this point to skim through your list of securities to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. And this marks the end of the tutorial. I hope this was of some value to you.